Hello there. Today we're going to talk about canonical URLs and duplicates and how to specify canonical URLs in Joomla website builder Gridbox. Take a look at these links. The first link, it's an original user-friendly URL of the page displaying in the browser address bar. The second one, it's an original URL of the page, generated by CMS. The third link, it's the same URL, but with added UTM parameters, usually using for advertising. And the fourth link, when you share a link on Facebook, Facebook automatically adds parameters to the URL ending. We could go on with examples, but let's get back to the canonical links. So, search engine crawlers see 4 different links, but all these links open the same page with absolutely the same content. As a result, you get alerts about duplicate content in the Webmaster tool. Also, in search results can be displayed, not the original user-friendly URL. All of this has a bad impact on your Joomla site's SEO. And to solve issues with duplicates, webmasters use canonical URL annotations. How canonical URLs are implemented technically, we can see in the page source. Here is our page link and here is our canonical URL annotation, or tag canonical. Canonical URL annotation helps search engine crawlers understand what URL is primary, what URL should be indexed, and what should be displayed in the search engines. Okay, now let's go back to Gridbox. Gridbox comes with a built-in Canonical Links app which allows you to resolve an issue with duplicates. From the Gridbox dashboard, navigate to Gridbox Apps. Click on the button Add New Item. Scroll down and click on Canonical URLs. Okay, we have installed canonical URLs, now we need to configure it. Go to Editor. From the toolbar, select Site Settings. Navigate to the tab SEO. Enable canonical URLs. Enter your site domain to the field, Site Domain. Domain address should be entered without trailing slash. It's important. Now, close Site Settings and save the page. My congratulations, we have explored how to fix issues with duplicates. Enjoy!